Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Look, look, up in the sky, bubbles floating way up high. Red, orange, yellow, see them shine. Colors of the rainbow, all are mine. Rainbow bubbles float, float, float. Colors dancing, see them glow. Blue, green, purple, pink, so bright. Let's pop the bubbles with delight. Tiny bubbles here and there, colorful wonders everywhere. Red ones giggle, orange ones sway. Yellow bubbles brighten our day. Rainbow bubbles float, float, float. Colors dancing, see them go. Blue, green, purple, pink, so bright. Let's pop the bubbles with delight. Bubbles flying up so high. Purple, pink, and blue in the sky. Green ones twirl and sparkle too. Rainbow magic just for you. Rainbow bubbles float, float, float. Colors dancing, see them go. Red, orange, yellow, green, so bright. Blue, purple, pink, pop with light. Bubble, bubble floats away. Rainbow colors in our hearts stay.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.